In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to start email marketing from scratch. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if building an email list has felt confusing or overwhelming, this video is really going to simplify the entire process for you. A lot of people focus only on social media, but the problem is you don't actually own your audience there. Algorithms change constantly, reach drops, and accounts can disappear overnight. Your email list is different. It's one of the only audiences online that you truly own. So by the end of this video, you'll know how email marketing works, how to build your list, and how to set up your first system inside GoHighLevel. Email marketing is still one of the highest converting forms of marketing because the people on your list actually choose to hear from you. That is very different from someone casually scrolling past your content on TikTok or Instagram. When somebody gives you their email address, they're interested in what you have to offer. That makes email subscribers much more likely to engage, click, and eventually buy from you. The other reason email matters is long-term stability. Social media should help you get discovered, but your email list is where real business relationships happen. The earlier you start building your list, the better. There are so many email marketing platforms out there. Some are built mainly for newsletters, while others are focused on creators or e-commerce stores. GoHighLevel is different because it combines multiple tools into one platform. Instead of needing separate software for email campaigns, automations, funnels, landing pages, and contact management, GoHighLevel puts everything into one dashboard. That's why a lot of business owners and creators eventually move to platforms like this. Saves time, keeps your system connected, and just makes automation 1,000 times easier. Okay, first what you want to do is go ahead and set up your account. If you want to follow along, we do have an exclusive link down in the description below where you can get access to an extended 30-day free trial rather than the regular 14. Once you click that link, you'll just go ahead and click start an extended free trial. You can add in your company name, your full name, your email address, and phone number, and then you'll go ahead and go to step 2. You do have to put your credit card information in, but if you are still deciding, just make sure you set an alarm on day 29 or 28 just to confirm that you can cancel if that's what you really want. So once you are in, this is what it looks like. What you are going to want to do first is go ahead and set up your domain. You can do it really easily in the settings. That's step number 1. You'll want to make sure you test everything out, make sure all of the domain settings are correct and you're good to go. What we're going to do next is go ahead and create our first opt-in page. So this is where people actually subscribe to your list. The nice part about GoHighLevel is they give you a bunch of templates where you can go ahead and customize and drag and drop. So we're going to go ahead and go into funnels. From here, we can create a new funnel. You can use AI or you can start from a template. Honestly, the AI is really good as well, but if you want to search the templates, you can as well. So even I typed in lead magnet, there's life mentor lead magnet, plumbing, wealth advisor. There's a million to choose from. So just go ahead and choose here. With this template, you can change the headlines, the colors, the images, the buttons without needing any coding experience, which is so nice. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to make the page too complicated though. Your opt-in page only needs one goal, which is getting somebody to subscribe. Keep it simple, tell people what they're getting, why it helps, and give them one clear button to sign up. Once someone enters their email, GoHighLevel automatically stores the contact and can instantly trigger an automation like a welcome email. Even this, so as you can see on here, there's one button. We probably want to adjust the colors and make it a little less busy, honestly. It even says right here, a free copy of Building Wealth with Confidence to boost your ability to succeed. Bam, secure your copy today. Most people are not going to give away their email addresses for no reason. You need to give them something valuable to offer in return, which is called a lead magnet, which is what I've been referring to. This could be a checklist, a free guide, a template, a short video training, or even a discount code depending on your business. The key is specificity. Generic offers usually don't convert well. A targeted offer solves a very specific problem for a very specific person. For example, fitness tips is way too broad, but a 7-day meal plan for busy women is a much clearer and more compelling offer. The more specific your offer is, the easier it is for the right person to actually say yes. Once you have this set up, you do have to select a form and you can customize this completely. You'll obviously want to make this a bit prettier, make sure it actually looks good with your landing page, but as you can see, it's got name and email and just some typical consents and then unlock now. You want to keep it very simple, name, email, get the free thing. As soon as you're done, you can go ahead and publish it. Now what we want to do is set up an email campaign and a welcome sequence. So we're going to go ahead and go to automation. Now we can create workflow. We're going to use AI. You can do it from scratch, but we might as well use our resources wisely. Create a simple welcome sequence from a lead magnet. You'll obviously want to put in a lot more details. Wealth management freebie. So we want it to send the free lead magnet first, then go into our mission, who we serve, who we are, etc. And then the last fourth email can be a CTA to work with us one-to-one. Now we just let the AI go ahead and create that. Again, you can 1000% start from scratch and build it on your own, but it's so much easier with AI. It just makes it super simple and easy. So it'll ask us a couple questions. Amazing. Now, as you can see, the form was submitted. So the wealth management lead magnet, gonna send the first email. Hey, thanks for subscribing. As promised, here is your lead magnet document. Obviously, you don't want to say that in the email, but here is your free wealth guide, XYZ, okay? Please let us know if you have any questions, yada, yada. Wait 1 day so you can time delay this. Interesting. We'll probably do 1 day. And then email number 1 is the company mission. So you can really say like who you are, what we do, why we're different, etc. Then again, it's going to wait 1 day and then the next email will be sent. So this is thanks for joining our community, how we help people, etc. Wait 1 day, about the company. This might be a little bit repetitive. Company mission, types of clients served, about the company. Maybe we want this email to be some extra tips and tricks or something like 5 tips to XYZ, build wealth, right? Number 4, invitation to work one-on-one. Okay. And then you can go in and kind of pitch yourself, right? That way you're warming people up. They understand who you are, what you do, maybe some free tips and tricks that can help them immediately to have an easy payoff. And then again, then you pitch, okay, want to work one-to-one with us. See how powerful that is just from getting an email, just from them getting something free from you and them giving you your email address. You can go ahead and save that and you are good to go. So some other things I wanted to mention. So that's how you'll do automatic emails, right? But you also can send one off. So you'll go into marketing, you go into emails. Like if you have a weekly newsletter or something like that, you can just create a email marketing campaign super easily. You'll probably want to use the same template over and over again. Maybe you're a skincare brand and so you have the same look each time. So people are aware of like, oh, this is the weekly newsletter. Okay. You can come in here. It's really easy, drag and drop. You can change the images. You obviously want to update this to be uniquely yours, but then you can save it as a template. So then each week you don't have to recreate it. It's just the same one over and over again with updates. One note I wanted to mention is as your email list grows, not every subscriber is going to want the same thing. And that's where tags come in. So tags really help to organize contacts based on actions or interests. For example, somebody interested in coaching might get tagged differently from somebody interested in a free course. This is important because sending the right message to the right people improves your open rates and reduces unsubscribe rates. The good news is that you don't need a complicated system in the beginning. Even just tagging can make a massive difference as your audience grows. Now, GoHighLevel gives you analytics so you can track how your emails perform. The main numbers you want to pay attention to are open rates, click rates, and unsubscribes. A healthy open rate for a smaller engaged audience is around 30 to 50%. Your click rate shows how many people actually click links inside your email. These numbers are going to help you understand what your audience responds to so you can improve over time. Do not obsess over perfection in the beginning. Consistency matters so much more than perfect analytics when you're just getting started. Okay, and if you want to, you'll go ahead and go into marketing and then you go into emails, and this is where you can see all of your stats. So delivered, bounce, unsubscribed, spam complaints, etc. You can go ahead and change the dates. You can see like the last 60 days, whatever it may be, but again, GoHighLevel makes it super easy. One of the easiest ways to grow your list is by connecting it to your content. Every YouTube video, Instagram post, TikTok, or podcast episode should point back to your lead magnet or opt-in page. Your content brings people in and your email list keeps the relationship going long term. This is why so many creators and business owners prioritize email marketing, even if social media is their main traffic source. The audience you build on email is far more stable long term. Now, in terms of the pricing for GoHighLevel, so you can pay monthly or annually. You can save a bit more if you pay annually. So the starter is $97 a month. With this, you get 3 sub-accounts, unlimited contacts, unlimited users, 24/7 support, and all core features. I know that this might sound like a lot for email marketing, depending on where you're at, but most email marketing platforms are paid per amount of contact list. So you can have unlimited contacts on here. Some of them are hundreds of dollars a month if you have a big email list. This is so powerful because you get unlimited contacts. And it's not just email marketing, it's your whole business wrapped up into one. And then they have the unlimited plan, which is $297 a month. And this is built for growing agencies. You get unlimited sub-accounts, basic API access, etc. Lastly is their agency pro plan, which is $497 a month. Everything in the unlimited plan plus SaaS mode, rebill phone, and then advanced API access. So again, choose the plan based on what you actually need. If you're a solopreneur, all you'll need is that starter plan. If you're building a coaching business, service business, agency, online brand, or anything where automation and lead generation matter, GoHighLevel can be an extremely powerful option. If you only want to send occasional newsletters to a very small audience, a simpler platform may feel easier in the beginning. But if you want your funnels, automations, contact management, and email marketing connected together in one place, GoHighLevel makes a lot of sense long term. I know email marketing can seem intimidating when you first start, but the truth is you don't need some massive complicated system right away. You just need to start. Build a simple opt-in page, create a valuable free offer, write your first welcome sequence, and improve from there. Again, if you want to try out GoHighLevel yourself and get an extended free trial, don't forget to use our link down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our link, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping entrepreneurs and creators build real online income with practical step-by-step strategies. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.